First position, arm open to the side. Front and back, 2 counts each. And back. Third one, ending by plie. First position plie, open arm. Tongue to plie, round back. Upper body involved. And back. And front. Straight up, plie. Start from back all over again. Back, front, back, front. One more. Good. Plie. Look at your arm. Contour. Front, back, front, back, straight, and plie. Deep breath. Pull the ball front. And up. Pull the ball back. And up. Arm front, below your nose. And really small, to the back. Right now, lift up, twist. Diagonal line. Diagonal line.